Hey, what's up, Wix Nation? Welcome back to another video here on the Wix Training Academy channel. My name is Sarah Michaels, and in this video, I am bringing you a design hack and going to be showing you how to update the colors on your site, aka editing your site's theme, and how to change that all of the colors in one simple click so you don't have to go on every page and update that and change it. So if you haven't yet already, make sure that you go ahead and click on subscribe down below and the bell so that you actually get notified when a new video drops, because there is so much content here on the channel dedicated to helping you with the tips, tricks, and tutorials to build your Wix website and also your business and your brand. So welcome to today's video. Now, in the last video, I showed you one of my very favorite tools to be able to basically zap the color from anyone's website. Let's say that you're surfing around and you're like, oh my gosh, I love this color. I wish I knew what it was. How you can like zap that color, or, just it's a really cool tool. So make sure that you go back here onto the channel, check that video out. Let me know if you're loving it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your site's theme colors. Now, depending on what your editor looks like and what version you have, or if this changes in the future, your buttons might look a little different, but I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do this. Now, if you're going in and you're changing all of the strip backgrounds and you're like you're customizing your template, you don't have to do this all by hand. There is a way that within one click of a button, it will automatically update all of those colors on the site as long as they were part of the theme, okay? So the first and the easiest way to do it is on the left-hand side of your site editor. You should see the little A with the paint drop, and you open that up, and this is where your site design and your color and your theme is going to live. You'll notice here the page background and then the site theme. When you hover over it, click on the Customize button, and you'll notice that it gives you a variety of different preloaded themes, which kind of make me, I enjoy the names of them. So for instance, how they describe them makes me laugh. Like fashionable, it's chic and swanky, or tangy. This one gets me. It's very pungent and zesty. So you can absolutely go in here and use any of these preloaded themes. And just keep in mind that if you like a theme, but you're like, oh, I like this theme, but I don't love that one color, or, I want to change the font that goes with it, you can absolutely customize any of these. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Just because it doesn't have exactly what you like, you can kind of fix and tweak it. So, okay, first of all, you're going to click on the theme, and then actually I'm going to go with more of my brand here. Let's just say I'm going to go with dynamic. All right. And I'm going to go in here and adjust the colors for the site. So I can go in and click on change. And this is where you can see it's, bringing me all of the different color themes again. Or I can go in and customize individual ones. All right. So as I'm going in here and I'm looking, I'm like, oh, this is kind of like maybe not the theme I really love. You can absolutely go in, and it's going to pull up the custom color, like the full gradient grid. And you can either, if you have colors that you already know are your brand's colors, then you can add in the code for them here. Or if you have, let's say that you've gone into Canva and you've created your brand's colors, you can use the color picker tool to grab that. You can edit it in here. Or alternatively, if you'd like, you can just play with this thing right here and move this around until you find a color you like. Click on apply. And then you can also adjust the shade if you want to. You can all right, I want to bring this down. Yeah, so that's pretty cool too. Okay, so you can go in and play with the different colors that they have in here, and you can tweak them until you find the color theme that maybe you really like. So let's see here. I'm just kind of playing around with some different colors. This is usually my brand colors. It's usually like beachy and hot pink. So that's kind of the vibe. Alrighty, so let's say that I'm like, yes, this is perfect. It looks amazing. You can go ahead and leave that. Now, alternatively, if you've noticed, if you're selecting if you click on a particular element, let's say a strip, and you go in and click on the color, you'll also see in here that now the theme colors are edited, and you can also access the theme color editor from this option as well. So you can always say, okay, I'm going to click this, or this is pretty cool. When you go in here, you can also say, oh, I want to select the lighter pink version of this theme, or I want to do, this color, or, you really have the ability to kind of play around with that. Okay, so that's how you can access the colors and change them from going in here and clicking change. Okay, so I've selected the element, I've clicked on change background, I'm going into the color, and then I can either add a new color or I can edit these ones right here. All right, so that brings me back up to the same menu that I accessed from the left-hand side. So it's all going to bring you to the same spot. And I believe now it used to ask, like when I was changing the colors and some of the elements on some things, it would ask me on the bottom, I'm not seeing it here anymore, but it would say like, do you want to change all of these to this color? And if that option ever pops up, so let's say that you're changing things around, if you want, let's say this was like a hideous brown color or something, no offense if you have brown on your website, but let's say that the brown was just not my brand and I wanted to change all of the brown elements on my site over to this new color. Instead of doing it by hand, I would just click on that option if it gives it to you. If not, what you'll want to do is go into the theme and then make sure that you change it to the new color you want. And then it will automatically change over all of those elements that were within that theme's, your site theme color. It will switch all of those over. So hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully this saves you a whole bunch of time while you are editing your website. So thank you so much for tuning in here to today's video. If you found this helpful, if you are enjoying the series and the content here on the channel, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Let us know down below what you're working on. If you have any questions or requests, we would love to hear from you. And if you haven't yet already, remember to go ahead and click on subscribe to the channel and stick around because we have lots more content coming your way. So thank you so much for tuning in here today, and I will see you in the next video.